Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Reviews back with another video, and today I will share with you guys 10 amazing iPhone hacks and tricks that I believe every iPhone user must know. Now, as you probably know, the iPhones are packed with hidden features and tricks and things that you can do that will allow you to do much more with your device and of course make your device way more useful. Now, before we get into all that, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you enjoy the videos and want to see more of them, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel a lot. Now, we're starting things off with the phone app. So head on to the phone app and go into the voicemail section. So on voicemail you will have basically that default sound that will speak once your phone goes into voicemail. Well, what you can do is come here and then just tap this edit button right there. Now what you can do, then tap on greeting, and then you will be able to actually record your own greeting. Now you can see right here I have two different phone numbers, so I can go ahead and choose either one of them, and then of course make a separate message for each one of them, which is really awesome. So you will have the default, and then you can go to custom, tap on record right here, and yeah, now you can record your own voicemail greeting, which is really awesome. And as you can see right here, you can do that based on phone number. So if you have two numbers, you don't have to have the same voicemail greeting for all of them. You can just go ahead and do that separately for each of your phone numbers. Now, as you probably know, on iPhone you can actually copy text from photos, and on a previous video that I did recently I showed you guys that you could do that from video as well. But did you know that you can actually do that from the camera? So just like that, you can go ahead and copy a piece of text without even having to take like a picture or take a video of a text. Once you're on the camera and you just point your iPhone to a piece of text, it will show you this little button right here. You tap on it and then you can see we have the text here. We can go ahead and select that, and of course right here we can go just maybe copy it or look it up, or just basically have the full menu here where you can translate, do a web search, or spell or speak, or even share directly from here. So when you send a message on iOS, you know that you will have those effects that you can send with the messages, which are actually pretty cool. So if we tap and hold here, you can see if we go to screen, we have these messages here that basically these effects that you can add to your messages, like send, like a message. You can see right here with different effects. But what's really cool is that you can actually do this with emoji. So just add an emoji here. So you can see right here, if we go ahead and add emojis, then we can tap and hold, and then we can just move here to screen if we want these effects like this, or even from the bubble right here, you will have like different effects for your emojis. So you can see how cool these are. So everything will work with emojis the same as it works with the normal text that you send on iMessage. On the calculator app, when you want to calculate something, let's say that's a number that you have copied, or you just need to remember that number, you don't actually need to do that. All you have to do is just copy the number, and basically the field here where you type the numbers on calculator does allow you to paste and also copy stuff. So if we just go here and copy something, or we already have something copied from another app, for example, we can just go ahead and paste that right here. So you want to calculate a number, don't need to remember it or just take a look at it from the other app. You just copy it and you can go ahead and paste it here. Now of course it will work with copying from here as well. So when you copy something from here, you can just paste it on another app. When you're using the camera or the microphone on third-party apps, you can change the effects for your camera and microphone as well. These are effects that you get on the camera app on your iPhone, but you can do that for third-party apps as well. So here's the camera. If we go here, we have an app that is using the camera. We can change the portrait effect right here, the depth of the portrait effect, which is really awesome. We have the studio light right here. We can adjust that, which is again another great feature. And then we have reactions here and center stage, so we can go ahead and enable or disable reactions or center stage for cameras on third-party apps. Now you can also change things here for the microphone, like voice isolation, standard, automatic. Right here will have basically a few different modes in which you can use your microphone even on the camera on third-party apps. So you can see from automatic to standard to voice isolation, we can go ahead and change to any one that we prefer. Now here's one really simple trick, but will save you a ton of time and a ton of headache. So when you want to move an app from one page to another, you will have to come here, just slide it right here in the corner to actually move it, and sometimes it's really annoying. Now here's the right way to actually move an app from one page to another. So I take this app right here. I want to move it to that page. Just drag the app with one finger, and with the other finger just slide the page like this. This is the proper way to actually move an app. So I can go to this page, or if I want to go to a previous page, I just swipe like that, and I can go ahead and just easily move an app anywhere without having to struggle putting it on the side of the home screen. Now while we're on the home screen right here, here's another one that is actually really simple, but a lot of users don't know about it. On the home screen, just tap on the edit button and you will find here a section where you can go ahead and edit the pages. Now what this does is of course allows to enable or disable different pages, but you can also rearrange your pages any way you like from here. So you will have all the pages you have enabled, then you can just go ahead and just move them anywhere you want. Now here's one of my favorites. On the app library, you tap here to search and you will get these letters right here. Now this will work with any list that you have like this. Even if you go, let's say, to your settings app, to the list of the apps that you have on your device, you will be able to get this same UI like this. So if I just want to go to the apps starting with that letter, in this case with G, I can just go ahead and tap there and it will take me there. Or if I just want to scroll through the apps, what I can do is just scroll through these letters right here, and you can see how quickly I can go ahead and move between all of my apps. And last but not least, here's another one. This one is for your keyboard. Whenever you need to type the degree icon on your iPhone, you can actually do that fairly easy. So all you have to do is just go ahead and go right here to the number. So if I just go ahead and add like the number here, and I need now to add the degree symbol, I can just go ahead, tap and hold the 0, and then just move like that. And as you can see, as easy as that, we can add the degree symbol on the iPhone. So that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and all the cool new tricks and hacks that you learned on this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and of course subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.